started by threading our sewing machine. I am working on the Baby Lock Zeal today, but it is the same steps and concept for your own machine. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over to our machine and thread our upper thread. This is the top thread, okay? So you're going to grab a spool of thread. I am using an Aurifil 100% cotton thread. And we're going to place this on the spool pin. This is called the spool pin. Now, each machine will have a spool cap. This is what's going to ensure that the thread doesn't fall off the machine when you go to sew. So I'm going to place this on here and make sure it's nice and snug. So now you're going to pull your thread over, and what's really nice is each machine will have numbers of which direction you go first, second, third, and fourth, and so on. So I'm just going to follow my arrows and go through the pre-tension disc. You will come down and around through the tension discs, and then you're going to come up and catch your thread in the take-up lever. This is very important that you don't miss this step. Okay, so make sure you get your thread in the uptake lever. Next, we're going to go down, and you're going to bring your thread around the needle guide. And it might be hard to see on my machine, but just ask your parent to help show you where that's at. So once you've put the thread behind the needle guide, now it's time to thread the needle. Some machines have a little helper to help you thread the machine, or some of them you might have to thread by yourself. Okay, so just take your time and thread the machine. I am going to do it with my little helper here. Okay, once I have caught the thread there, I'm going to pull it all the way back through the needle, making sure that the thread is at the front of my needle. Okay, at this time you can go ahead and take your thread and move it under your presser foot to get it out of the way. That's how easy it is to thread your upper thread. Okay, now we need a bottom thread, which is also called bobbin thread. Okay, so this is a bobbin, and what you'll do is you can ask for some help on how to wind a bobbin. Each machine is different, so feel free to ask for help on that. Okay, I have already pre-wound this bobbin, so it's ready to go into the machine. What you'll do, and again, each machine is different, you will open up the bobbin area. Now, your thread is always going to come off the left side of your bobbin, so it almost looks like the letter P, okay? I'm going to drop this down, and again, there's going to be arrows on your machine on where the thread needs to be guided to, okay? Once I have it in those tension discs, I can go ahead and put this back on and snip my remaining threads. So that's how easy it is to thread a sewing machine. Like I said, each machine might be a little bit different from what I just showed you. So ask a parent to help you out, and once you have it all threaded, it's ready to go.